Hello and welcome. I'm Jenna, and I'm so glad you found your way here. The holidays can be beautiful, but they can also be overwhelming. The gatherings, the expectations, the noise, the endless to-do lists. Perhaps you've been running on empty, giving so much of yourself that you've forgotten what stillness feels like. This practice is your sanctuary, a quiet space just for you, where no one needs anything from you. For the next little while, there are no gifts to wrap, no meals to prepare, no conversations to navigate. There is only this breath, this body, this moment of peace. Allow yourself to settle into a comfortable position, lying on your back. Let your legs fall open naturally, your feet dropping gently to the sides. Your arms rest a little away from your body, palms facing up or down, whichever feels more inviting. If you'd like a pillow beneath your knees or a blanket over your body, take a moment to adjust. Let the surface beneath you hold your full weight. You don't need to hold yourself up anymore. Allow your eyes to close or soften your gaze downward. You are safe here. Before we journey through the body, we'll plant a sankalpa, a heartfelt intention or resolve. This is a short, positive statement, a seed placed in the fertile ground of your relaxed awareness. You might already have one, or you can borrow this offering. I am at peace within myself. I carry my own calm, no matter what surrounds me. Repeat your sankalpa silently in your mind 3 times, with sincerity and trust. Now we begin a gentle journey through the body. Simply notice each area as I name it. There is nothing to change, only to witness. Bring your awareness to the crown of your head. Feel into your forehead, smooth and wide. Notice your temples softening. Your eyebrows, releasing any tension held there. Your eyelids, resting gently closed. The space behind your eyes, quiet and dark. Sense your nose, the bridge, the nostrils, the gentle rhythm of air moving in and out. Your cheeks, soft and heavy. Your ears, simply receiving. Your lips lightly touching or slightly parted. Your jaw letting go completely, creating space between your teeth. Your tongue resting soft against the floor of your mouth. Notice your chin, your throat open and relaxed, the back of your neck releasing. Feel both shoulders now melting away from your ears, dropping toward the ground. Your upper arms, both together, heavy and warm. Both elbows soft at the joint. Both forearms releasing. Both wrists. Bring your attention to both hands at once. The palms of your hands soft and open. The backs of your hands. All 10 fingers together, releasing. The thumbs, the index fingers, the middle fingers, the ring fingers, the little fingers, the fingertips, alive and present. Now sense your chest rising and falling with each breath. Your heart space warm and protected. Your rib cage expanding and softening. Your upper back supported and releasing into the ground. The middle of your back letting go. Feel into your belly, soft and unguarded. Your lower back, heavy and warm. Your hips, both sides together, sinking into the surface beneath you. Your pelvis, grounded and stable. Allow your awareness to flow down into both thighs at once. Heavy and relaxed. Both knees soft at the joint. Both shins and calves releasing. Both ankles. Notice both feet together, the heels of your feet, the arches, the balls of your feet, all 10 toes, the soles of your feet, warm and grounded. Now expand your awareness to sense the whole body at once. One unified field of sensation. Whole, complete, at rest. We'll use the breath as an anchor now, counting gently backward from 10 down to 1. Each count marks one full breath cycle. Inhale and exhale. If you lose track, simply begin again wherever feels natural. There's no way to do this wrong. 10. 9. 8. Now continue counting down in your own rhythm all the way to 1. Allow each breath to carry you deeper into stillness. Wherever you are in your count, gently release the counting now. Simply rest in the rhythm of breath, present and aware. Now we'll explore the quality of opposites, allowing your awareness to expand. As you inhale, you might imagine a feeling of tension, a gentle holding, a subtle tightening throughout your body, like gathering everything in. And as you exhale, a sense of release, a complete letting go, a softening into the ground beneath you. Inhale, tension. Exhale, release. Inhale, gathering, holding, bracing against the noise of the world. Exhale, unwinding, melting, dissolving all that you've been carrying. Continue this rhythm on your own for the next few breaths. Let these sensations dissolve now. Simply rest in the breath itself, in the natural balance between effort and ease. It's time now to begin your return. Before we transition, bring your sankalpa back to mind one more time. Repeat it silently, sealing this intention in your deepest awareness. Begin to sense the borders of your body once again. Notice where your skin meets the air, where your body meets the surface beneath you. Feel the volume of your body, the space you occupy. You are here, whole, safe. Let your breath deepen just slightly, expanding your rib cage a little more with each inhale. Gently awaken sensation in your fingers and toes, tiny movements, a soft flutter. If it feels right, you might roll onto your right side, curling into a restful shape, or simply remain where you are. Take a moment to lie quietly, eyes still closed or softly open. Take a moment to thank yourself for stepping away from the holiday rush to offer yourself this gift of deep rest. May you carry this sense of inner calm with you. May you move through gatherings and celebrations with ease and presence. May you remember that your peace lives within you, steady and unshakable. Thank you for joining me today. When you're ready, you can slowly sit up and carry this calm into your day. Or if you prefer, feel free to stay here and rest for a few more minutes. There's no rush. Take whatever time you need.